Watch this, 4 different angles covering the stack implosion, 2 from News Center 7 and 2 from the Springfield News-Sun. The Ohio Edison Smokestack, called the Giant of the Valley, stood just off US 40 for more than 80 years. It took only a few minutes for its demolition to go horribly wrong, destroyed 2 backup power generating stations, and knocked down 12,000-volt power lines on top of people watching it happen.
We have never, ever had a stack go bad, ever. And in 30 years of experience, 30 years of perfect safety record, we were absolutely devastated that this happened.
Lisa Kelly's company, Advanced Explosives Demolition, was responsible for the blast. This is actually her running with her children as the stack fell the wrong way. Kelly says all of the explosives placed around the stack went off correctly. She believes a crack caused it to rotate and fall the wrong way.
No matter who would have shot that stack, it would have gone the exact same way due to the fracture in the backside of it, which was unknown.
Kelly says she's relieved that all of these people walked or ran away from this okay.
Property damage can be replaced, and humans can't. We're all here, we're all safe, we're all good, and we'll deal with the property damage afterwards.
Get out of here! Get out of here!